Scottish Widows European Pension Series 3 has come up. Is this good in your pension? Let me tell you what issue I've got with it. It is the fact that it has got so little in so many potentially important companies and so much in pretty useless ones. Basically, once you get below about 2% of your holdings, you're pretty irrelevant in the holdings that you have and the impact it can have. I mean, what is the point? Okay, so let's say something you've got 2% in does a 10%, 20% return. You're getting negligible, sub 1% impact on your portfolio. And you might say, well, no, that's the benefit of diversification. Well, if that's the benefit of diversification, then presumably what will happen is you'll have a whole load of those and they won't be moving in tandem. Otherwise, they won't be diversified, they'd be concentrated. Okay, and if they're not moving in tandem, then they're cancelling each other out. Simple mathematics. Got the maths prize, for something. Now, there's another problem. Novo Nordisk, I do happen to like. I might want more than 5% in there. Actually, that might be the right allocation. Great, you got one right. They got one thing right. Well, Novartis, Roche, ASML, by the way, I still own that. You might want more in than this. So, first of all, you could do it yourself. There's too little money in too many spray and pray investments. You're going to, don't take my word for it, you're going to be annoyed with the poor performance of this. That's what's going to happen with Scottish Widows European Pension Series 3. Mark my words.